Hi, this is nice exponential math problem 9 over 4 raised to 9 over 4 and we have to find the value of this problem. So let's start. Solution 9 over 4 raised to 9 over 4 is equal. We can write this 9 over 4 is as 3 square over 2 square raised to 9 over 4 is equal. We can write this 3 square over 2 square as 3 over 2 whole square raised to 9 over 4. We know a math property which is a to the power m whole power n is equal a to the power m times n. According to this property, we can write this line 3 over 2 raised to 2 times 9 over 4. Here 2 is 1, here 2 is 2 is equal 3 over 2 raised to 9 over 2 is equal 3 over 2 raised to, we can write this 9 over 2 as 2 1 plus 8 over 2 is equal 3 over 2 raised to 1 over 2 plus 8 over 2 is equal 3 over 2 raised to 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 raised to 8 over 2, because a raised to m plus n is equal a raised to m times a raised to n. According to this property, we can write this line as this line. Is equal 3 over 2 raised to 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 raised to 8 over 2 is equal 4 is equal 3 over 2 square root, because 3 over 2 raised to 1 by 2, we can write this power 1 by 2 as square root times 3 over 4 over 3 power 4 over 2 power this 4 is equal this square root of 3 over 2 times this 3 power 4 is equal 81 over 2 raised to 4 is equal 16. 81. is equal square root of 3 over 2 times 2 over 2. Here nothing changes. 2 over 2 is equal 1 times 8 to 1 over 16 is equal, here 3 times 2 is equal 6 over 2 times 2 is equal 4 times 8 to 1 over 16 is equal, here square root of 6 is equal square root of 6 over square root of this 4 is equal 2 times this 81 over this 16 is equal, we can write this line 81 square root of 6, 81 square root of this 6 over 2 times 16 is equal 32. Therefore 9 over 4 raised to 9 over 4 is equal 81 square root of 6 over 32. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.